Greetings, everyone. In today's video, join us for a tour of a meticulously renovated 19th century West Village townhouse. With 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and expansive indoor-outdoor living spaces, 31 Grove offers a perfect blend of practicality and luxury. This 3-story residence is a striking architectural gem from the 19th century, showcasing a charming old red brick construction style. Before we step into the house, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Upon entering through the front door, a spacious and refined living area unfolds, adorned with 2 generous windows adjacent to the entrance. The well-thought-out furniture arrangement centers around an exquisite fireplace, creating a cozy atmosphere for winter nights. A conveniently placed dressing table adds practicality to the space. Transitioning to the kitchen and dining area, an elegant and roomy setup awaits. Highlighted by expansive windows overlooking the backyard garden, the kitchen features a central island with chairs, dedicated sink, and modern amenities. The dining table, bathed in the glow of tastefully positioned lamps, accommodates up to 8 people for a memorable dining experience. Progressing to the newly added powder room, it boasts modern facilities, providing a convenient space for guests. In the first bedroom, large windows offer a view of the lush back garden. The strategically placed bed is complemented by side tables and a TV on its dedicated stand. The kids' bedroom is a spacious haven with 2 single beds and abundant natural light streaming through numerous windows. Advancing to the first bathroom, discover a well-appointed space featuring a single vanity, a separate shower area enclosed by glass doors, and all the latest fixtures. Entering the main lounge, a vast opening connects to the verdant back garden. Elegantly arranged furniture includes dedicated spaces for the TV and ample shelves, creating a haven for book enthusiasts. A separate corner hosts an elegant fireplace and a sofa, perfect for enjoying morning coffee immersed in a good book. Venturing into the beautiful back garden reveals an open space with a table for 8 and a modern barbecue grill, offering convenience for hosting barbecue parties with friends and family. Ascending to the second floor, explore the third bedroom, a spacious retreat with 2 expansive windows and an elegant chair in the corner. The attached bath on this floor is designed for convenience, featuring a single vanity and modern toilet facilities. Proceeding to the 4th bedroom, find a spacious room with large windows on both the walls and the roof, welcoming ample natural sunlight. The attached bath to this bedroom boasts a bathtub, a single vanity, and modern toilet amenities. Concluding our tour on the 3rd floor, discover a rooftop terrace adorned with 2 sophisticated beach chairs, an ideal spot for enjoying a sunbath while sipping on your favorite drink.